Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuse to check in case driver door keypad is not working. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. So to access it, you first want to remove this cover which is under the headlight switch. And deep inside there is a fuse box. I will try to zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone. Now you have two options here. You can try to reach the fuse through this opening right here or through down here, whichever is easier for you. But honestly, you'll have a bit of trouble doing this because it's really located at awkward position. Now, if you own Ford Edge made between 2015 and 2020, you will be checking fuse number 10, which will be located right here. And in case you own 2020 to 2024, you will be checking fuse number 9, which is just above it right here. If this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. I know quite often these keypads can fail, but they are quite easily replaced. And I believe you can even buy an aftermarket one online, and that way you can save some money or get a used one from a car salvage. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.